Welcome to this brand new training video. In this video, I want to give you two traffic sources that you can use to promote your Clickbank offers and affiliate links online. Now, traffic is one of the biggest issue in the internet marketing space, and that is one of the reasons why 99% people fail online, because they just don't know how to get traffic and they don't know how to convert that traffic. I'm going to give you two top traffic sources, and all the links are going to be in the description box below this video. Stay tuned right to the end of this video, because you have an opportunity today, opportunity to change your life forever, opportunity to make $10,000 per month every single month online in real affiliate commissions, proven and tested from real people. And I'm going to show you this program that is changing lives. Okay, so stay tuned right to the end of this video. Okay, so let's dive into this. What is Clickbank? Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace that has thousands of digital products. They have also started to do physical products as well. And if you could become a professional in traffic generation, you could change your life and you could take your business to the next level. All right, so if you haven't joined Clickbank, you could join Clickbank for free. Just join Clickbank, enter your details, enter your address as well, because the first two payments is check, and then after that you could switch it in your setting area to electronic payments. All right, so once you have a Clickbank product, it's time to drive traffic to that product. Now, before you drive traffic, you have two options. You could either drive traffic to a direct affiliate link, or you can drive traffic to a page just like this lead magnet page. And I highly recommend you drive traffic to a page just like this, because in this case, what you're going to do when you drive traffic to a page like this, people are going to enter the email and they're going to hit submit. You're going to have that email address in your autoresponder account, and that like that you're going to build a subscriber list. So you're going to have like 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, 50,000 people in your list, and then you could promote any products to these people by sending out one email and blasting an email out. This is called email traffic. All right, so you want to build that list. Now, if you don't have a landing page, there is a trial software that I recommend to all my viewers and customers. It comes with a 14-day free trial, and you could build landing pages, sales pages, webinar pages just within a couple of minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on your expertise, but you could build a quick landing page within a couple of minutes using the drag and drop done for you templates. All right, so the links are going to be all in the description box below this video if you want to check it out. It's a trial, it's a 14-day trial, and then after that there is a monthly fee, but I recommend this as part of business. You need to invest. When you invest in your business, that's when you grow. All right, so you want to drive traffic to a page like this, all right, and build a list. So the first traffic source I want to talk about is a traffic source called BuySellAds.com. Now, this is a banner traffic network, and a lot of people make this mistake that they go to the marketplace and they see a banner getting like 1 million impressions, 2 million impressions, 3 million impressions, and they get crazy. They go for a spot and they buy the banner, and guess what happens? They end up losing money and they completely fail, because it's not just about impression, it's about clicks, it's about target, it's about the website that they're gonna place your banner on. Now remember, there's a difference between clicks and impression. Impression is, just say this was a banner, all right, a clickable banner. Every time someone visited this website, all right, it will count as an impression. So 100 people visited this website, 100 impressions. This banner got 100 impressions, even though no one clicked on it. All right, and a click is when someone actually clicks on it and goes to the website. All right, so you just don't want to look at impressions, you want to look at clicks. Click what matters, not impression. So this is a very good traffic source, but remember, it does require a bit of experience. It does require some kind of experience and a bit of tech skills too, to actually start getting real sales and commissions, making money from this traffic network. So don't just get crazy, go on to it, create your account and give it a try. Make sure you learn about this traffic source, and there's two ways to learn it. One is education, courses, buying a course, or checking out YouTube videos where they're teaching you step by step how to make the most out of this traffic source. And the second is start creating campaigns yourself and testing different things out. So if you're on a very high budget and you have a lot of money to invest, then you could do the second method and start testing different methods out and start playing with this traffic source and see how this all goes. And then through testing, you'll get to a point where you know what is working, what offer is going to convert, and how you can make the most out of this traffic network. So it's a very great traffic network. Okay, the second traffic source which I recommend, and the link is going to be in the description box below this video, okay, is a traffic source that will rapidly boost your list, build your list, and allow you to quickly build a very high responsive quality list of subscribers and start making potential sales online. And that traffic source is a solo ad traffic that I have already recommended in my past videos, and they have a buyer traffic package. Remember, buyer traffic package basically means a track record with people who have at least bought one product from the internet. Now, when you get buyers, you're most likely going to make money and sales from these type of people when you recommend a very good product and you do the things the way it's supposed to be done, because they already bought one product. Now, by making a sale from a buyer is much easier than making a sale from a freebie mindset, because turning a freebie to a buyer is quite hard than making a buyer buy another product, then another product, and another product. That's how it works. All right, so I highly recommend, if you have the budget and you got money to invest, I highly recommend you start off with the buyer package. But if you can't, then you start off with the tier 1 package, which is UK, US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, 100% tier 1 clicks, and then they have the gold package as well. All right, I've bought thousands and thousands of clicks from this traffic network in the past, and I'm quite happy with my results and with the quality of lists that I have built using this traffic network. So the link is going to be in the description box below this video. This is a great traffic network, great traffic source, and a great traffic package. Give it a try, all right, and continue to build your list and boost your list, because the money is in the list. All the top gurus who are making multiple 6 and 7 figures, what is their advantage? They have a massive quality amounts of subscribers and leads in their autoresponder account, so they are always on top of the game and winning all the competitions. All right, now if you have been struggling to make money with Clickbank and you are ready to finally crack the code and you want to make at least $10,000 a month in affiliate commissions promoting other people's offer, then today is the day, is the time, is the opportunity for you to change your life permanently. That's right, I'm going to show you a program that is proven and tested by giving results, that is providing real results for real people and changing people's lives. Now, when you click the link in the description box below this video to check this program out, you're gonna come to a page just like this. Okay, you could scroll down and you could watch this video. Okay, you could see it's real results. People are making real commissions from Clickbank and affiliate networks up to $10,000 a month. And if you are interested in learning how this all works and you're ready to finally crack the code, you are sick and tired from jumping from one product to another product to another product to another product, you are sick and tired by logging into your account, Clickbank account, and seeing the big fat zeros, then today is the opportunity. Today is the time where you can finally change your life. So when you click the link in the description box below this video, you're going to come to a page like this. For any reason, if you can't find the link in the description box below this video, then you can open up a new browser, all right, and just enter this URL down here. Okay, when you enter this URL, you're going to come to this page here, and then you could walk through this page, see real results from real people. Okay, and then you could just read what you're going to get access to, and then if you are interested in learning and joining this program, then you can activate this program by just clicking on this green button here and activate this program. This is a program that's gonna help you go from 0 to $10,000 plus commons in real affiliate commissions, proven and tested. Okay, so the links are going to be all in the description box below this video. By the way, if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, smash the subscribe button. It could be a red button or it could be a black button. Just smash the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. Now, I think YouTube has changed the subscribe button color. It used to be red. I think it's black now. Whatever color it is, it will say subscribe on it. So just smash the subscribe button. I keep on saying red because I've got a habit of saying red. Smash the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. Leave a comment for me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you. I want to see you make real money online, and I'm going to be coming up with some very, very good videos. So make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on those videos. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video.